Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram story if it's not uploading. So let's get started. Well, as you get in the app, and if you go through the steps to post an Instagram story, but it keeps saying that your story is not uploading, here the first thing that we're going to do to fix this problem is to check your internet connection first. So swipe from the right corner of your screen and then switch from Wi-Fi over to your cellular data, because sometimes the cellular data is stronger than the Wi-Fi. Now the second thing that we're gonna do here, we're gonna go out from here and open up our settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Now tap on manage apps. Scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. Now tap on clear data, then clear cache and confirm. And so this is gonna delete if there's any bugs in the app and fix if there's any issues in the app, and that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.